Here we go. Third coaster of the day. Starting out with some bounces. Boing, 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 boing. Now this kind of coaster, ooh, is different to the single rail ones. Boing, 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 boing. Because you don't need to brake so much in these. Yeah. And you can get some pretty strong laterals. And generally they feel a lot more stable than the single rail ones, which I feel like I could fall off at any minute. This, on the other hand, we're good to go fast. I don't know what Zavriat means, so I'm going to ignore it. I think it means go fast. Over the jumps. Woo! Yeah! Boing! Whoa! Some proper airtime then. Yeah! Boing! Boing! Woo! Boing! I think I might be coming up to some traffic, unfortunately. Boing! I'll see though. Hopefully the people in front will keep going fast. But I think I see it. We're catching up on them, unfortunately. Yeah. Boing, boing. Oh! Just managed a clean run. Nice. Netflix. That was good.